Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Crowning Glory. I'm Nicole Renee, and boy, I've been busy today. I've been doing my best to get more content to you, and I did a couple of shorts today and Sunday, and today I'm going to talk about a shampoo and conditioner that has become what the blowout professor would call my shampoo soulmate, or as close as it's going to get. So, I love these. And normally I am a salon snob. You will not find these in a salon. First of all, they have Braille on them. See, for my blind friends, they do. And for those of you new to this channel, I am totally blind. And so that is why we have some difficulty sometimes recording, but we are on today. So these bottles are L'Occitane en Provence, and you can go to, I think it's L'Occitane.com. They also sell them on Amazon. Now, like I said, normally I am a salon snob, as people would say. I don't really buy store brand shampoos and conditioners. I just don't. It leaves a waxy film on my hair. People with thicker hair can get away with that. They just can, because they can put their hair in the blender and it comes out just fine. I, on the other hand, cannot. And I have grown my hair to tailbone length. It is actually, the longest piece is almost to BCL, but that's where I am now. So I've got a routine that's working. So I want to talk about these. They smell amazing. They have kind of like that essential oil smell. I can't describe it though. It's just, somebody said it smelled like medicine. It does not smell like medicine at all. If you love that essential oil and you love that tingle, it's not peppermint, but if you love that tingle on your scalp, you're going to love these. The Pretty Shepherd turned me on to them. And if you actually don't know who the Pretty Shepherd is, I highly recommend you check out her channel. It is, it is excellent. It has hairstyles. She has knee length gray hair. She's been going gray since she was 13. And so she has really neat hairstyles, but she talked about using these products and she talked about oiling with this, and it's good oil. It is wonderful oil. It's for fine hair ladies. It is light. It is gentle. It smells terrific and you're going to love it. So I highly recommend these products. I wash my hair once a week and I don't have to wash my hair. I could actually stretch my hair out, washing out even more if I wanted to. But usually I don't. Usually I have something, church or whatever, that I go to that I want my hair fresh and clean and ready to go. I don't want anybody to ever say, gee, your scalp smells terrific. Not. So, but I highly recommend these products. Some people say, I had somebody tell me they were drying. They probably are if you use them too often, because they do it. I wouldn't call it a clarifying shampoo, but they could do the job of clarifying. They're an excellent shampoo and conditioner brand. They keep my hair clean. They keep everything smelling good for a long time. You can smell the scent days after you use them. Like I said, I wouldn't call it drying, but I would definitely not wash with it. If you're a daily washer, these would not be for you. They're also very volumizing for fine hair. And they have a volumizer on their website. So this brand is Urgent Repair. And I'm not a big believer that shampoo and conditioner is going to repair your hair. There's nothing like that. But they work, and they work wonderfully. And for a non-salon product, you're not going to find these in a salon. I have never found them in a salon. They should be in one, but they're not. But they work beautifully. So I highly recommend. I give them I would say a 10. I really would. They're as close to my shampoo soulmate as I've gotten in 30 years. So pick some up on the website, and I will also link the Pretty Shepherd's link here so that you can check her out. She's adorable. I wish she would do more videos. But that's all I got. And remember, Jesus loves you. If you love long hair content of any kind, styles, product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe. I love new subscribers, and engage with me. Comment, talk to me, tell me what shampoos you like. If you've tried this, do you like it? Love to hear from you. God bless. Jesus loves you.